Model 68 plate Nissan Nv400 Se 2.3 Dci Euro 6 spares OR repairs gearbox body, white, panel van mileage, 141,389 MOT, the 28th of November 2023 engine, 2298 CCM 90-130 E6 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect, runs perfect gearbox is stuck in gear and drive shafts have been removed so it can roll, the drive shafts are in the back of the van, engine still starts and sounds perfect grin condition summary, bodywork is in average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 0 former keepers, full service history, parking sensors, 2 keys, cruise control, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £8,250. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999